Naomi Home presents the Chicago Luxury Theater Chair Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. To get started, connect the backrest onto the chair base. Attach the fastening strip onto the chair base. Next, slide the left and right corner side pieces onto the backrest. Before finishing off, let us take a look at the control panels. On the sides of your chair base, you will find the buttons to recline. Press the front button to adjust to your desired position and the back button to change back into a chair. A USB port and a Type-C port can also be found. This button is for turning on and off the LED lights. You can also press the red button in the included remote to turn on and off the LED lights. The color selected can be changed by pressing the color buttons. The brightness intensity can be adjusted with these two buttons. The demo button starts a flashing sequence, which can be changed by selecting a mode with the mode buttons. And the frequency can be adjusted by using the speed buttons. The headrest can be adjusted to your preference. The arm contains a storage compartment where you will find the attachable tray that connects onto your chair base. Just attach the stand onto the tray by turning clockwise and securing it with the included wrench. Then gently attach it on your chair base. And there you have it. Your luxury theater chair is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.